Hey, Nik Sharma here, and I'm going to show you how to use the ZWILLING electric salt and pepper mills to season my food. These ZWILLING electric salt and pepper mills are the kitchen tools you didn't know you were missing. First, you can adjust the grind consistency by adjusting the plates at the bottom. And two, the light illuminates your food so you know the consistency and how much salt or pepper you've added to your dish. And I like my pepper coarse, especially in salad, because it gives a better bite. You don't have to use this only for black pepper. You can also throw in other whole spices like coriander, cumin, whatever you want to grind. Another fantastic feature about this pepper mill, if you're cooking and one of your hands is dirty, then you can use this single-handedly and it makes your life easy in the kitchen. Charging this mill is extremely simple. It comes with a rechargeable, long-lasting battery that's built inside. Not to mention the compact, sleek design of these mills makes it so easy to look at in the kitchen. These electric salt and pepper mills are my favorite tools to have in the kitchen. They're the products you didn't know you needed.